Hey guys, and thank you so much for watching today's video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I created this sparkly pink eye look. Now before I go in with any eyeshadow, I first primed my eyelids and then I applied some eyeshadow guards. Now in this video, I'm gonna play with this beautiful palette by Jolie Beauty. It's called the Intergalactic. Not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but this is how the palette looks. It has a lot of beautiful colors. It has some pressed glitters in it. So I'm really excited to play with it. And I'm gonna start with this really light white color, which has a matte finish. And I'm gonna press a little bit of that underneath the highest point of the eyebrow. This is optional if you don't like a really bright under highlight underneath the brow. You don't have to do this. It's not gonna kind of break or make the eye look, but I personally really like to do this. So now next I'm gonna take this really soft yellow color. I felt like I needed some sort of a transition color, but I do have to say I might as well could have skipped this step. I just wanted to kind of do it anyway, because if you follow me for a while, if I go in with any eyeshadow, I always start with a light color first. But the shades I'm gonna apply after this one are actually quite soft and easy to blend, so I might as well could have gone straight in with this color. So I'm going to blend it all the way from the inner corner to the outer corner. I really wanted this shade to be there because this is going to be like the main color in the crease. So I wanted to apply a lot of that to really darken up the crease and make it as pinky purple as possible. The brush that I'm using right now is a Sigma E40 brush, and it's actually one of my favorite blending brushes. So I'm just doing the same thing. I keep adding more eyeshadow and I just keep blending back and forth. And of course I did the same at the other eye as well. I always start with one eye and then I do the same at the other eye. Then I'm going to take my finger and I'm going to apply this color, which is so beautiful. I also posted about it in my Instagram story because when you look at the shade in the palette, it doesn't look like really spectacular, but when you swatch it on the eyes or on your finger, you can see this beautiful blue sparkle in it. It's so beautiful. I do have to say I am going on top of it with a glitter, which is kind of going to cover up all the eyeshadow. But you can definitely do an eye look using only the pink in the crease and then this shade on the eyelid, and then maybe apply a wing liner or some mascara and you're good to go. But I actually really wanted to play with glitter today, so unfortunately it's going to hide the eyeshadow underneath, but it is what it is. Actually in real life, when you look really close, you could still see like the sparkles in between, but like from further away you will only see the glitter that I'm applying right now. So I'm using it on my finger and I just pressed it all over the eyelids, and then this is how it looks. Then I removed the eyeshadow guards and then I went straight into applying some jaw eyeliner. If you are not into wing liner, you can skip this step or only do a line above the lash line. This is totally up to you. I personally really like wing liner looks. I just love wing liner. I love how it looks on my eye shape. But I can imagine if you have hooded eyes, you're not a big fan of doing like wing liners. So skip this and go straight next to the next step, which is going to be the lower lash line. So I am going on top of the jaw liner with the NYX Cosmetics matte liquid liner. I feel like whenever I use glitter, I want to go in with two like separate eyeliners to kind of cover up the glitters, because sometimes when you apply jaw eyeliner, you can still see the glitters peeking through. So that's why I went in with the NYX Cosmetics liquid liner on top of it. So now I'm going in with this purple color and a flat diviner brush, and I'm pressing it right underneath the lower lash line. And then after applying it, I'm going to take a tiny blending brush and I'm going to sweep my brush back and forth to really blend it out. I actually really love using those colors because they make my eye color stand out. And then now for my one line, I'm going to take this pencil from Urban Decay, which is in the color Love Drug, which looks kind of similar to that shade I used underneath the lower lash line, and I really love it. I've actually used this pencil a few more times and it really goes well with today's colors. Now after that, I curled my lashes and then I'm going in with some mascara. I'm using the Great Lash Mascara from Maybelline, which is my favorite drugstore mascara at the moment. And I'm going to apply some mascara. Now you can leave it like this with only applying mascara, but I am going to apply some lashes because I feel like that complements the whole eye look. I will put all the products I used in the description bar. But yeah, if you don't like lashes, skip this step. Obviously, if you don't have like a lot of experience applying lashes, it's gonna take so much more time, which is gonna make it not that easy, not that quick. So that's totally up to you. If you have some time left, you can apply lashes, or if you don't want to, you don't. So yeah, I really hope you all enjoyed. I hope you liked the end result. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy, and hopefully I will see you all in the next one. Bye bye!